Hello all, let's solve some important NEET question from the concept of human reproduction. The first question is like assertion and reasoning question. The assertion is said to be ovulation is the release of egg. Reason it takes on 14 days after fertilization. So actually assertion correct. Ovulation is release of the egg. Ana reason it takes on 14 days after fertilization. But normally a menstrual cycle or menstruation period of a girl life cycle 28 days. 14th day it is going to happen, not after the 14th day after fertilization. So obviously it's going to be A is true, but R is false. The next assertion, generally a woman does not conceive during lactation period. Reason, the hormone prolactin initiates and maintains the lactation in women. So, both A and R is true and R is also the correct explanation of A. The next question. Yes. So, assertion HCG, HPL and relaxin are produced in women only during pregnancy. Placenta produces several hormones including human chronic gonadotrophin, that is short on the HCG solvo. So human placental lactogen, HPL and relaxin. So again both A and R are true and R is said to be the correct explanation of A. The next question, assertion, that is a male is found to be lacking facial hair and pubic hair. Reason, it is the case of hyposecretion and testosterone from the Leydig cells of the testes. So both are said to be true. So again A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. The next question, assertion. In humans, the sex of the baby is determined by the males. Reason gametes released by human males are motile. So again A correct, R correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A because gametes released by the human being males are motile. So அந்த மொட்டைலா இருக்குறதுனால தான் males release ஓட gametes வந்து மொட்டைலா இருக்குறதுனால தான் அது வந்து ஒரு செக்ஸ் ஒரு குழந்தையோட செக்ஸ் டிட்டர்மைன் பண்றது அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு தவறான ஒரு விஷயம். ஜெனரலி வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா மேல்ல வந்து they have two sets of chromosomes, like they have a pair of mismatched pair of chromosomes அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. கரெக்ட்டா X and Y வந்து present ஆயிருக்கும். So obviously X contribute பண்ணுச்சுனா baby born will be female, Y chromosome contribute பண்ணுச்சுனா it is going to be baby born will be a boy. கரெக்ட்டா அது X chromosome ஓட contribution ஆனே தவிர அந்த gametes வந்து மொட்டையில் இருக்கிறதுனால தான் இந்த மாதிரி நடக்குது அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு தவறான ஆன்சர். So but A and R is true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. So அதுக்கான ஆன்சர் வந்து it is going to be option B.